Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the HDMI Tester Portable Checker and 3 reasons you should get this. Reason number 1, on the HDMI side, it will test both Type A HDMI and Type C mini HDMI. So that's good that it will test more than one. It also has RJ45 functionality to it, so you can do some basic cable testing. Reason number 2, this can scan quickly and test up to 19 wires. I didn't realize there was that many in HDMI, but that shows you what I haven't been reading on lately. Reason number 3, this is powered by a single AAA battery. Of all the batteries out there, I prefer either the AA or the AAA because I don't keep a lot of 9 volts, and C's and D's I typically don't keep a lot of, so it's nice to know that I can temporarily borrow something from one of my devices that runs on AAA's if we need that. So take a look at this one and think about adding one to your collection today.